Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your LLC to buy a house. Using an LLC for real estate offers significant advantages. Primarily, it provides a crucial layer of personal liability protection, separating your personal assets from business debts. This structure can also present favorable tax treatments, often avoiding double taxation. Furthermore, an LLC can enhance your privacy, keeping your personal name off public property records. Establishing your LLC correctly is the foundational step. First, choose the state where you'll form your LLC. This decision impacts legal and tax aspects. Next, you'll file the Articles of Organization with the Secretary of State, officially creating your entity. Crucially, develop a detailed operating agreement. This internal document defines ownership percentages, management structure, and operational guidelines for all members. Financing a property through an LLC differs from a personal mortgage. You'll generally pursue commercial loans, which often have different terms and higher down payment requirements, typically ranging from 20 to 30%. Alternatively, consider seller financing, where the seller acts as the lender, or explore private money lenders. These options can offer more flexibility than traditional bank loans for your LLC. Proper management is vital to maintain your LLC's benefits. Always keep your LLC's finances entirely separate from your personal funds by using dedicated bank accounts. Meticulously record all income and expenses to ensure clear financial oversight. Additionally, remember to fulfill all annual state filing requirements, such as submitting annual reports and paying any associated fees, to keep your LLC in good standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.